Meet the Jetboil Flash camping and backpacking stove system, your ultimate companion for outdoor trips and hiking. Designed to boil water in a lightning-fast 100 seconds, making it the fastest Jetboil ever. With its 1-liter FluxRing cooking cup and insulating cozy, keeping your water warm as a breeze, perfect for preparing coffee, soup, or dehydrated meals on the trail. The convenient push-button igniter ensures you start heating instantly, while the thermochromatic color change heat indicator lets you know when your water is ready. Weighing just 13.1 ounces and measuring 4.1 inches wide by 7.1 inches high, this compact system is easy to pack and carry, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, and even emergency use. The bottom cup doubles as a measuring cup and bowl, and with compatible accessories like a coffee press, hanging kit, and skillet, this stove is a necessity for your next backpacking adventure. Remember, Jet Power Fuel is sold separately, and this stove is designed for outdoor use in well-ventilated areas only. Whether you're on an alpine expedition or a weekend trek, the Jetboil Flash will keep you fueled and ready for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.